All right, let's do it. Dread Raven, OTK. I'm gonna make it happen. I just tested this deck, and on my second try, I hit somebody for 28 damage. Or, I'm sorry, 30 damage. I had two Dread Ravens that had 14 attack, and then a Tundra Rhino with 2. So, and you only needed 3 Dread Ravens. The way we get them out is we get them to 0 cost, and then we copy them. And then we play Tundra Rhino. And we get those reduced with Scarlet Web Reavers right here. Web Weavers. Okay, so, and I've got Dragon support in here, just in case I need to discover some spells. I kind of like this. So, I can possibly discover... Oh, and I've got some Dire Friends. I got all kinds of ways to make these beasts just nasty little things. So, we're going to try to get as many as possible. I'm going to coin just a... There we are. Look at that. Look at that bad boy. He's a 5/6. I need to draw a dragon, though. There's my Tundra Rhino, so we'll just hit face. Next, we'll play this. I don't want to use this to give a +1/+1. I actually want this to be the copy. Perfect. Dread Raven. Okay, now we want the Web Weaver to not hit Rhino. We want to hit the Raven. Okay, I don't have a dragon in play or in hand, so we'll just face. I have, how many dragons do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I've got 7, and then I've got some that discover. There we go. So we can discover. We're probably going to have to get rid of destroy a random enemy minion. Now this could be big. But I might need to do some damage here. There we go. The Rottennest Drake would be better, but we've got some play here.
I will act as your steel.
Okay, so overkill would I could hit this and then overkill here. Are. It would be nice to play her and then Zola that out. But this is going to get buffed up. I'm going to need some destroy. Probably should have... No, my Rottennest Drake is my destroy here. We'll just put some stuff out. That's going to get really nasty real quick. That hit the Rhino. We really wanted that to have... that's okay. I can still do the combo. Now what I want, though, is I want this to hit a Dread Raven. Because I can play 3 Dread Ravens here. What I want to buff the Dread Ravens up, though. Okay, good. I'm glad that's gone. That gives me a little relief. Let's hit a Dread Raven, please. There we are. And now I can... what do I want to do? Let's go... I wanted this to kind of hit this one here, but okay, turn 9. What can I do? Turn 9. Do I have OTK? +3. So this will have 6, so that'll be 11 damage. This will have 6, it'll be 9. This will have 6. It'll be 9. 9, 9, 11. I'm just 1 off. Oh, no, no. I could play this and make a copy. Here it is. Look at it. Turn 9. Turn 9. Hope you guys like this. Bye-bye. Woo! I'm way too happy. It's the little things in life. First try. Boom! That's pretty powerful. That poor priest never saw it coming. Thought you're safe for 30 damage, turn 9? Not 30 damage to face, turn 9. Get out of here. Pop! Oh, and I could have done, too. I could have done 32 damage because my Tundra Rhino never attacked. Oh. You guys will have to forgive me. It's a tear of joy when your meme deck works the first time. Oh. Oh, that was... It's a little too much for me. Let's go again. This will be my new favorite deck. Let's see. How much did I do? 11, 11, 22, 33 damage. I had 33. 33 damage. 11, 11, 9, and 2. Wait, only you. The older song? Oh, man. I don't have any viewers right now, so you guys missed that live, but we're going to post that bad boy. It was a thing of beauty indeed. Oh my god. What if I get Emerus off? What if Emerus goes off with a huge Dread Raven? Oh, that'd be sick. So it's okay if Scarlet Web Weaver hits this, because I can play 3 Dread Ravens. That's all I need. I just need to boost them up. He's gonna play your stupid Guardian thing. We all know it's coming. We're just gonna do so much damage. Who needs? Look, and then when your beasts don't work, your dragons work. You start putting out the sick. Yeah, I mean, of course it doesn't hit that, right? Of course it doesn't. Oh man. Look, we're just going sick. If that had hit this, we're gonna charge. Dude, we're gonna play this, and we're gonna charge. Oh, this is gonna be so good. Here we are, turn 7. We're gonna crush this dude. Oh no, don't kill this off. Please don't do that. Ah, that's okay. Okay, wait. 6. Okay, if this hits this, if this hits this. I'm having too much fun. Oh. Man. Charging beasts. It's the way to go. Even big druid can't keep up. Man.
You give me strength.
Let the hunt begin.
Oh, man. The amount. Dragons and beasts. It's the way to go. Just put pressure out. Dragons and beasts. Just straight smashing someone's face in. This is faster. Do I dare say faster than aggro? We're talking turn 6 and 7. We're smashing faces in with big damage. Turn 9, aggro obviously is faster, but this is a nice like curvy mid-range deck that gets real nasty real quick.
Once upon a time.
This will give me a turn 4 play, but this is a turn 4. This is I'd rather have draw. Let's kill this priest before they even get their Amara in hand. That'd be fun. Oh man. I hope you forum peeps are happy with this whole outcome of this deck that you guys requested, and I'm here to fulfill your desires and your dreams.
Once upon a time.
Okay, so I'm running one of these in my deck just because if you could get this to hit the 0 when you copy it, there'll be zeros also, especially if you have 2 of them. You only need 3 Dread Ravens and a Tundra Rhino. That is all you need. With just a little buff on them.
These wounds will.
It turns out, getting a +6 attack. I can't even imagine a board full. Oh my goodness. You have like 100 damage. Like the maximum, if you count Dire Frenzy, okay? If you get Dire Frenzies off, Scrap Shots off, Untamed Beastmaster, the Scavenger's Ingenuity, and the Smuggler's Crate, all to hit the same one. I don't even know. That's going to hit my Drake. But that is pretty funny. Okay, so here we go. 6, we're going to play this. As we don't want to draw another beast, so we want to hit this. And then I'll copy, and then I'll have 2 zeros. And then all I need is the other Dread Raven and the Tundra Rhino. Turn 8. Bam. Dead.
What is in wounds with?
Or the Shando. I'd like to get some plus damage on these guys though first. So if you have 3 unbuffed Dread Ravens, they each have +9 attack. So 9, 9, 9, that's 27. Plus the Tundra Rhino is 29. So you only need the smallest bit of +1 damage or +1 attack. Oh, here we go. So check this out. This is and I'm gonna copy it. It's about to go down. This is first I'm gonna copy it, and then I'll count 4 0 costs, and I just laid on a charge. This is too good. I'm having too much fun. However, taunts, I do have to watch out for the taunts, but we just get a whole bunch of Dread Ravens. I don't think he's ready for this. Oh, yeah. Okay, he's going to have to put something up. Because I'm putting some nasty damage out. So here's my turn my turn 8. If I hit a Tundra Rhino, it's over. God, we're putting so much pressure on this priest. Where I want him to clear board.
What
He's only at 2 of 7. Resummon your infiltrator. There we go. Okay, that'll work. Hopefully it doesn't. There we go. Is it sad? Sad I'm wanting him. Oh, jeez. If I draw my... he has no idea. I came out hard with dragons, and the beasts, all I need is my Tundra Rhino. Oh, I should probably put 2 Tundra Rhinos so I can draw them faster. I only have 1 in. Oh. It's too bad that if you play this and then +4. So this... wow. You'll have a Tundra Rhino. It doesn't keep it as with the discount. Okay, well, if I draw those... that's fine. Oh, here we go. So I want to draw my Tundra Rhino. It's 48 damage plus 50, 54 damage, not even counting my hero power. That's 3. This deck has gotten 3 off in a row. Oh. I should just retire the deck. 3-0, I'm done. Oh, that was great. Hilarious. That's enough. Now I'm just playing it for fun. I don't even need to get the meme up. I had no idea. It would be this strong. Like, this is shockingly strong. Like, you could probably cut stuff like Zola, put in more dragons for dragon support. It's just, this deck just hits so hard so fast. Well, let's see before I talk smack. Okay, I can discover a beast. I want to get it reduced, though. And I've got some... I don't have a 1-turn play, so this is weak against aggro, obviously. The only thing I have is a fairy dragon. So you could add in some stuff to help with the 1. You don't want any beasts, though. So what we'll do is we'll play the Stitch Tracker on 2. Now, I can copy this, but I want to reduce this first. I want the Scarlet Web Weaver. So here we are. We're going to put up some... We'll put this up first. We're just going to put up some board. We'll come out with the Fire Tree. A Hero Power. Okay, that's fair. Hey... Bro, you can heal all the way up. And now, here we are. This is where we're going to start copying this bad boy. He's going to get real nasty real quick. Because now I have a 6/6. 2 6/7s. And I'm going to copy it. I don't want to get another beast right now. Although the Scarlet Web Weaver would be okay. I don't want to get another beast because I want to reduce this. Oh man, this is look. This is turn 5, and this guy's healing. So we'll discover a spell. Three. Like, I could technically kill that. We'll save that. Okay. Yeah, I've got 3. I just need to reduce the Tundra Rhino. It's all fair, my friend. It's all fair. I really need these reduced. So I don't want to play that other copy right now. The reason I don't want to play this, I want to reduce these. See, copy and then copy all of them. So I can discover my Tundra Rhino. That's probably what I should have done. Rush and Divine Shield. Okay, so I'm going to prep. Hopefully that heals his hero and not that. Of course. What? Why did I think otherwise? Alright, this isn't working out now because I've got the wrong copies. I've almost got the right ones in hand. Oh, jeez. Did he give him Wind Fury? He did. That's 12. Oh, I'm going to be dead. Three. I don't know what minion I could get that would kill that. My Drake is 5. Yeah, that'll be 9, 18, I'll be dead. I thought he gave it Divine Shield, he gave it Wind Fury. It makes sense because it didn't die and he wanted to heal. It's a shame that it healed that instead of face. It's okay, 3-0. 3-1. We were 3-0. We had a bad priest deck. Let's see what we can do. The deck is surprisingly strong. Surprising. It was a little funny how hard that hit. 3 people in a row. Before was it before turn 10 all 3 times? Go back and check that. I'm gonna keep the Scarlet Web Weaver just because I don't want to have Scavenger's Ingenuity draw it and give that +2. And this is a good 3. I don't have the best curve, but I haven't even had to use Dire Friends. This is like so slow with how fast the Dread Ravens come out. But it's for that late game, just in case. Like, what is he? He's gonna summon minions. Yeah, but he's not gonna be ready for this. What was it? 60 something, 60 plus damage. 48. No, it was 50, like 56, 57-ish. Mid 50s to high 50s. Damage. Okay. Let's just do it. Let's just go for. Hope we get the +3 or the +2 onto the Dread Ravens. We're not worried. Look, I drew it. That sucks. Okay, let's just put this out to kind of scare him a little bit. He's gonna be like, "Oh, that sucks that I drew it right there," but that's okay. 6, as long as I don't draw another beast. So if I draw a beast, good, I get plus. If I don't, I reduce it. See, 6 and 7. Oh. But do I draw cards first? No. Okay, this is kind of cool. Ooh. I need to reduce. I need some low stuff. Okay, so I need to play this, which could allow me to play this. But I think I'm going to play this first, because this is a bigger threat. Okay, perfect. That's what I want. Now I'm gonna... I don't want to play this because I don't want this to copy that. I want it to copy this. So I need to play this just to burn this. Because now I've got what I want. Hopefully this isn't Taunt Druid. If it is, I feel like if I just take down a couple taunts, I can still do so much damage. Alrighty, hopefully it's not a bunch of taunts. Oh, it is. Alright, we're gonna have to get rid of that. I have to... Okay, I feel if I get a spell, I can do this and kill that off. So let me get a spell. A 1 cost. Okay, well, we're gonna have to play this and hope that hits. Nope, it's not gonna hit what I want. But okay, I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna do this. Oh, that sucks that he's gonna perfectly hit this with exactly what he needs. Okay. Let me do this real quick. Okay, and now I can copy. I can't copy. I've got a handful of stuff. So let's put out some bait here. Okay. He'll go for the poison. He'll attack the poison. I'm 1 Tundra Rhino away. I do need to get... I can draw the Tundra Rhino, but I need to play this. But I need to free up my hand. This is where the Dire Frenzies... I might not even need the Dire Frenzies. It's so late. Okay, so I'm going to hit here and then Dragon... And I should. Oh, man. 1 Tundra Rhino. The Stitch Tracker can get me there. I don't even need this now. Because this is already set up. If I draw the Tundra Rhino here, it's over. Oh no, he's got taunts. He's got a lot of taunts, right? He's got 1 taunt. Oh, come on.
This beast will not be tamed.
Ah, that's so close. Look how close that is. 5. I can't get that out. Oh, I'm so close. You're so lucky. Oh. So lucky.
Spectacular.
Very close. So the Dire Frenzies, I don't know if I even need the Dire Frenzies. Honestly, they're just like... I figured I would need those, but I could ditch the Dire Frenzies completely. They're too slow. The crate and another scrap shot maybe, or another Rhino. Let's see if I have a spell that does That would be pretty funny. Give a, I don't want actual minion beast. I want spell. Ooh. 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 I could have the ravens clear all the taunts, re-summon them. That would be a... I like it. Oh, this is... I'm getting too greedy, but it's too funny. It's hilariously funny. Oh. I hit that guy. I had 12 attack Dread Ravens on, I don't know, close to turn 9. On that one. That was funny. Okay, perfect. I like this. I like this a lot. This is... My dragons are my early game. Keeps me with the board while I draw my beasts and get crazy with the Dread Ravens. So I'll probably coin because I have a 2 and 2. So coin the Witch Doctor out. Attack enemy minions. I'd rather... Let's just go for value. I'm probably going to fill my hand up. I'll have to do this early. Okay, that's not the one I wanted. But I can use that as threat for 6 and copy a Dread Raven or make a Dread Raven 0. I'm probably going to do Tracker here and then next turn Fairy Dragon Cybertech. Unless he draws some cards, then I'll probably put the Explorer out just in case it's hand. Yeah. It very well could be a... I need low. I'm gonna get my hand full here. Just in case this is a hand lock. I'm gonna need to kill that big mountain giant or whatever comes out. Oh, okay, Reno. Hey, Reno lock had some taunts. I don't run Void Lord just because it corrupts the pool, but instead you run the 7 cost taunt. Okay, so there's the Dread Raven. That allows me to play this on 6. So on 5, maybe kill something. If he puts the Void Lord, Void Caller out, I might kill it and then Rotten Nest what comes out. Okay, no. All right, in this case, let me count how many cards I have. If I play this, I get another copy. I'll have 8 cards. Play this, I will get... Okay. Here we go. I can copy that now when it's a 0. And get some value in my hand. Ooh. Okay, now I'm going to play this so that it reduces... This is the only beast I have, right? I got a dragon. Yeah. I want this to be 0. It's perfect. Okay. I might need to Rotten Nest Drake that. That's what I'm going to have to do. Okay. I have to play this here. Perfect. This is going to make him do something crazy. Alright. Oh, okay. If that hits... Perfect. I didn't want that to hit the Tundra Rhino. There. Now he can deal with that. So what I can do here is
This one turned out nice.
I have to look to see if I've got. Okay, I thought maybe I would have lethal. If he doesn't get a taunt.
I have no time for games.
No taunt? Oh, he will. Wow, what a perfect time to mortal coil that. I might have lethal. This will be 8. This will be 8. That's 16. 23. Yeah. I'm going to lethal him here. Assuming this doesn't die. Yeah.
Students, today's class will be outside.
Oops, you didn't see that coming, did you? I beat Reno Luck with the meme deck. And I didn't even get to copy the right... I still could have copied the one minion. It's fun. It's the little things that amuse me. In this... I guess in this case, it's the big things, the big beasts that amuse me. Alright, I want to get it off one more time, and then I think I'll be satisfied for the night. Alright, I got a Web Weaver and a Dread Raven in hand, so that's a good combo. I have a Fire Tree, though, so I need to wait for a dragon. So I'd like to pick up an early dragon, but I'm going to keep this. Alright, kind of hoping we draw a dragon here so we can play this. If not, I'll just hero power, and then we'll do Stitch Tracker. There we are. Oh, perfect. So this will be my 3, this will be my 4, this will be my 5, this will be my 6. I'm pretty sure I can just... what I don't want to hit, actually, I might not want to play this yet, because... unless I play this to discover a dragon, but I want to play it to discover the Tundra Rhino. And then I don't want this to reduce a Tundra Rhino. I want it to reduce this, so that I can copy that. Now if I draw a beast... okay. That kind of sucks. This can reduce that, so that's fine. And then I can play that for 1. Now I'm going to have to. Okay, I like... there's my other Dread Raven. So it's okay, and that's a copy of it. So those are fine. So my Scrap Shot, what I want is my Scrap Shot and my Scarlet Web Weavers to hit the same one. But these have a chance. Hopefully this hits this. Or this hits the other Weaver, and then the Weaver reduces the one that this hits. So we got a couple plays here. But we could theoretically, on 6, play this, get a copy. On 7, play this. Oh, we're going to have to run these down. No taunts. Nobody wants taunts here. Let's get a little dragon going here. Here we go. Okay, this will be my 5 if I have to, depending on what he plays. And then this will be my 6. I'm just putting threats out on the board so that he has to focus on the board and not face. That's kind of how you play Hunter anyways. You put so much stuff on the board that they can't afford to go face. They have no healing, nothing. which is I'm not used to that. I don't play hunter, so I'm very used to playing priest and rogue, things that I can actively heal myself and stop. I don't play a lot of threats on the board, so they don't focus face decks like hunter or demon hunter.
What to do?
But it's okay. I can get used to this. We're really close. So, okay, 5, play Rottenish Drake, assuming that I have any kind of threat here. I'll play it anyway, just to put something up. 6, play this. Hope it doesn't hit this, but if it hits this, I can play this on 7, along with this, because this would reduce that. Yeah, so I'll just... Nothing big that I have to worry about. So I'll get rid of that guy. Now he has to focus on my board here, or he can calculate how much damage he's going to take. So 6, we're going to play this. I don't want to draw Rhino right now. So it's actually a good thing I don't have 2 Rhinos in here. But I have ways to pull the Rhino, so I think that 1 Rhino is perfect. I can pull it so many different ways. I can pull it with the Stitch Tracker, with the... Oh, where's that spell at? The 2 cost. Ingenuity. That's cool. You focus on that. Okay, it hit the Dread Raven. Perfect. Now, I want him to clear the board here. I don't want to put out too many threats. I need to get rid of this, though, so that the Scrap Shot doesn't hit that. It's the only thing bad about the Web Weavers is they are beasts as well. But it's not the worst thing in the world. It actually, if they hit each other, puts some threat on board. So, I want him to put a threat on board. I'll run my minions into it. Make him think that... There we go. Whoa, replace that. Spider Pig, I have... Oh, this is cool. So check this out. That hit my other Raven. I'm gonna do something stupid here. And act like I don't know what I'm doing. Does whatever a spider pig does. Spider pig does whatever a spider pig does. Okay, is he just now I feel bad. This guy's a newer player. Oh, this is gonna be so good. This is so good. Okay, so I'm gonna run this one in. I should have. Here we go. I got 3. So much good stuff. What? What are you talking about, Reaver? I just need Tundra Rhino. Tundra Rhino. See, now, here's the cool thing is I have Witch Doctor with the dragon, so I can discover some sort of Okay, wait a minute now. Look, we don't want you doing all this stuff. Okay, 5. Let me just see what I can discover. I'm so evil. Oh. It makes me so happy. Oh no, I didn't want to do that. I guess I didn't read it that it attacks a random guy, but I didn't need to do that. I didn't need to play that spell. It could have ruined me. The memes are real. I'm like what? I'm like 5-2 with this deck. I don't know. I have to go back and check. All right, I gotta get off. I kind of did what I wanted to do for someone. If you guys have any kind of meme decks you want to see, as you can see, look, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I don't know. I run all kinds of crazy meme stuff. Let me know. I will make it, assuming I have the cards. I have most cards. So hit me up on Twitch or YouTube. Thank you guys. Appreciate it. It's been fun.